Dear all, today is August 14, which marks the partition horrors of Partition of India in 1947. This is a solemn occasion to reflect on the immense human cost to our independence. The partition, which resulted in the displacement of millions, remains one of the largest forced migrations in the history of the world. This day serves as a poignant reminder of the agony, suffering, and sacrifices endured by countless individuals who were uprooted from their homes. Partition Horrors Remembrance Day is not only a time to honor those who lost their lives, but also a moment to recognize the profound struggles of those who were displaced. It underscores the importance of eradicating social divisions and fostering a spirit of unity, harmony, and human empowerment. To observe this day and showcase the experiences of those affected by the partition, the High Commission of India in Ottawa is hosting a photo exhibition starting today on the theme of Partition Horrors Remembrance Day at its premises from today, that is August 14, till August 23. We invite you to join us in paying tribute to the resilience and sacrifices of those who lived through this tumultuous period in the history of our nation. Let us come together to remember and reflect on the past as we work towards a more unified and harmonious future. Ladies and gentlemen, now we will start a slideshow showing various aspects of this Remembrance Day. I hope you would like them, and you will also make it a point to physically visit the High Commission of India in Ottawa to view them yourselves. Thank you very much for your patience. Thank you for listening to me. Namaskar. Jai Hind.